When you go to the File menu, do you really need this Import XML feature? Well, if you do XML, then you do, but if not, then why clutter up the menu with it? The more features you have in the menu, the less efficient you're going to be when you're going to look for a feature in a menu. But you can customize InDesign's menus really easily. To do that, you go to the Edit menu and choose Menus, way down here at the bottom. Up comes the Menu Customization dialog box, and you can see that all the menus are listed here. I'll open the File menu, and I'll choose the feature that I want to change, in this case, Import XML. This little picture there is a graphic of an eyeball, and if I click on it, it disappears. That simply means that the feature will no longer appear in the menu. This column on the right, the color column, lets me assign a color to a feature. For example, first I'm going to close this File section, and I'm going to open the Type menu section. Inside the Type menu, I'm going to choose Change Case. Now, I need to use the Change Case feature sometimes, not that often, but sometimes, and I'm going to colorize it to make it stand out. To do that, I'll click on the word None, and it turns into a pop-up menu. Now I can choose a color, let's say red. So I've made two changes to my menus. I've hidden a feature, and I've colorized a feature. Notice that whenever you make a change to this dialog box, the set changes to Modified. This tells me that there are changes over and above the default InDesign menus. I can save my changes as my own set by clicking on the Save As button. I'll change this to David's menu set. Click OK, and you can see that now the set menu shows up with my name. Let's go try it out. I'll click the OK button, and I'll look in the File menu, and we can see that suddenly Import XML is gone. On the other hand, there's a new feature that appears. Down at the bottom of the menu, we see a feature called Show All Menu Items. Whenever you see that at the bottom of a menu, you know that some menu items have been hiding from you. And if you click on that, something interesting happens. It disappears, the menu stays open, and the hidden features show up. Now let me show you another secret way that you can make hidden menu features appear. If you hold down the Command key on the Mac or Control key on Windows before you click on a menu, all hidden features show up. But once again, if you don't hold down the modifier key when you choose a menu, it's disappeared. Now what about that other feature, that Change Case feature that I colorized? Let's go take a look. Under the Type menu, we'll see that, boom, wow, that's obvious. I can jump right to it. For those few features that you need to use occasionally, but you have a hard time finding in the menus, colorizing is a really great technique. And even better, when you customize your menus, either by hiding menu items or colorizing them, you can save these changes in a workspace. I talked about how to make workspaces in an earlier chapter, but you go to the Window menu, choose Workspace, and then choose New Workspace. And I'll call this My Edited Menus. When I do this, it's going to save both my panel locations, which panels are open and closed and where they are on the screen, and menu customization, the changes to the menus that I just made. That way, whenever you change your workspace, your menus can change too.